Today I'm going to make roast strawberry milk. It's just a variation of strawberry milk, but making it a little bit tastier by adding roast into it. How did I come up with this flavor? Actually, what happened was when I was having my smoothie and I put strawberry in it, and then I thought, what if I add a little bit of roast into it? I put a few drops of my roast syrup here, and voila, the smell was so much better. It gives you that tangy taste, and then it just makes it slightly more exciting and definitely more delicious. To be honest, I was skeptical about having roast in my drinks. I had my first roast tea and I remember that very distinctly. It was also on camera. I went to Sing Fu Tang and I had a roast tea and I thought, no, it feels like I can smell roast, but it just doesn't taste good when I put it in my drinks. But the roast lemonade, amazing. The roast milk tea or roast milk boba, also amazing, and this one definitely is perfect. Today I'm going to show you in 180 ml bottles, which are concentrate, and these drinks are meant to be poured over ice. If you decide to drink it straight from the bottle, then what I would suggest is that you keep it chilled so that the sweetness level will go down. For the ingredients, we're going to make use of milk. You can use any milk of your choice. I'm using whole milk. And for the star of the show is the roast syrup. You should be able to find this in your local area. So this is a local brand here, absolutely amazing. And of course, I'm going to use my Sweetened Strawberry. And for the strawberry syrup, I made my own here. This is fresh strawberries. What I did is to use 400 grams of strawberry, put it in a blender, and then add 4 tablespoons of sugar, kept it refrigerated for about an hour or so, and it is ready to use. It might be a little bit too liquidy. You might wish to reduce the amount of water you put there because fresh strawberries will tend to be more fluid than frozen strawberries. So you can also use frozen strawberries. Okay, now this is my sweetened strawberry. What I'm going to do is to just add a little bit of salt, okay, just to enhance the flavor. Not a lot. And stir. I always like to add a little bit of salt to enhance the flavor of my syrups. So for this, it's very simple because it's a 180 ml. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of my strawberry puree. I'm using a funnel here just so that it will go down to the bottom. That's 2 and 3. This is the sweetness level that I prefer. You can adjust this according to your own preference. So you use the funnel so that it will go straight down and it won't be messy on the sides, okay? In our final bottle. So we now have 3. This 1, 2, 3. The next step is to add our roast syrup. 1 pump of roast syrup into my bottle. Okay. Give it a bit of a swirl. You don't want to stir it. And now we're going to fill the bottle with milk. Now let's just make another one in 16 ounces cup. So for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of my strawberry puree. So 4 tablespoons of my strawberry puree, 15 ml of my roast syrup, decorated with strawberry on top, roast strawberry milk in 16 ounces. Absolutely delightful. So there you go. Well, there you go. I always say the eyes eat first. My eyes are so full at the moment. The drinks look absolutely gorgeous. And well, this is the third episode and each one looks good, so it can only get better. There is one more that is waiting for me to film, and I will be showing you another or final episode on the Rose series to be announced later. Okay? In the meantime, the looks very, very good. The smell absolutely delightful. It smells of rose and strawberry, and it's now down to the taste. So what does the addition of rose do to your strawberry milk? When I have my favorite strawberry milk, it normally is satisfying, very filling because of the strawberry and the milk. And when I added rose syrup into this, it just makes it cooler somehow, making it more refreshing and delightful as always. If you have any questions about these recipes, do let me know, and I'll see you again for more of these video tutorials. Also, don't forget to check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and the Basic Barista. Details on how to order in the description box below. They are now available on Amazon.com, so you can also order it from anywhere in the world. If you'd like the copy of the hardcover, then you please check the website and we can ship to anywhere in the world. And for those that have already bought our books, once again, many thanks, and I hope that the books are helping you in your business. And for those that are using it for home, I hope that you have been trying the recipes. And if you have, do send me a message, comment below. In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Take care, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.